In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a macrame berry knot. First things first is attaching our cord to our dowel using a lark's head knot. Now that we have our cord attached to our dowel with our lark's head knot, we can now begin creating the berry knot. And this is just a series of 4 square knots. So I'm going to start creating the first square knot now, leaving a little bit of room at the top, and you will see at the end why that little space there is necessary. And occasionally I have to stop to check to count how many knots I've already created. So 3 down, I'm working on the last one now. Okay, now that I have my 4 square knots, I'm going to take these 2 middle cords, and each one is going to go through that gap that was created. So I'm going to take the left center cord down at the bottom, and I'm going to pull it through that top gap, and then I'm going to do the same thing with the right side. And then once I have them through, I'm going to just pull, and that creates the knot. And those are now going to be in the center, and we're going to create one more square knot around the berry that we have created, and that is what is going to keep that knot secure. And there you have it, a super simple berry knot tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed this. Please like and subscribe for more.